Alrighty guys, we have a Case TR270 skid steer attached to an Edge forestry attachment tree grinder. We put brand new snow tracks on it. We just got this a couple days ago actually. Climb up in here now. It's a little dirty, we've been using it. We'll hop in here. It's a little warm. Alright, so that's when we put the lap bar down here. And I'm gonna close the door up. Okay, so down here we've got our foot throttle. There is ISO and H pattern. I run ISO, but this is the lights. You got off, just front, and that. I think that's a dome or something. The middle one right here. And then the bottom one goes the side lights, the front lights, and the back lights. Same with this one, just those front and back. So we got the horn here. I'm not sure what this does, or this. This turns, so if I were to push this up, it would spin this way, the drum would on that. And then if I pull it down, it would spin this way, the way you want to grind. This is float. This is parking brake. This thing, well, here's your power. You'd press power until everything turns on. Start and then operate once you have your lap bar down. But then here's your hand throttle. Windows can open up here, which I might want to do. It's getting hot in here. Okay, so then right down here, if I can, there's like a blue button right there. If I can, dang it, I saw it. I got it. Beeped at me again. Okay. So right here, this button here, that's for your ride control. This one right here is for your 2-speed. Once this lights up, means you're in the ramp mode. And this, as you can see down here, does not have any levers to pull up to detach. It's this one right here. Now we got the AC heat, and then we got a radio. We have, so with iOS or ISO, push this stick forward to go forward, this one back to go back, this to turn, well, you know, obviously left, and then this to turn right. And then this is all your loader controls. But if I went to H, push both of the sticks forward at the same time, you'd go forward. Pull them back, you'd go back. Push one forward, you'd turn that way. Or that way, it depends what stick you... If you just press the stick forward, then you'll go this way. If you press the stick forward, you go that way. And then here's basically explains what the stick does for H and ISO. Same over here. And then this way would dump your bucket, this way would curl your bucket. This one would be the loader up, this way would be down. Pretty well built machine. Got the windshield wipers, that's self-level. That's the beacon that we don't have on it. And then, yeah, those two. But yeah, it's really nice machine. So if you were wondering what this gauge does, this one is your working pressure. There's a black line drew right here. If you, that's like the stopping point. And here's the case pressure. We've only got it up to like 100 to 200, but there's a black line at 500. It says do not exceed 500 PSI. And then, yeah, it's just you want to look at that drum here. There's some grass on it. Took it through some grass and most of the trees, so that thing is awesome. We've had to get through some grass to get to the trees though. Yeah, there's a ride control on it. In the back, lift that up, and then there's your all this stuff for your diesel tank. You'd open this door. Yeah, all your hydraulic hoses and stuff. But yeah, it's very nice. And then you can put a lock in there too. Here's the back of it. And ride control and stuff too, I guess. But yeah, there is the Case TR270. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and check out our channel. Thanks. Bye.